Speed. Speed is key. You see, that's what's going through my head as I'm slaving away at making this berm taller. Why I need more speed, you ask? Well, it's for a feature. Okay, this project starts with a landing, and the landing is going to be built out of dirt. But, being a lazy teenager that I am, I'm using logs to put inside the landing to take up some of that space so I don't have to put as much dirt in. But, a tip, make sure that the logs are covered by dirt. Okay, the second half of my little project is a jump that's made out of wood, or a lip that's made out of wood. You see, I'm making a step up. I almost forgot one of the most important parts, the actual posts that go into the ground that keep the jump up in the air, or not in the air, but in the position that I want it to. So I'm going to bury these in the ground and then attach it to the jump, or attach it to the lip. And then we get to run off of it. But I forgot to actually attach the posts. Alright, I have a confession. I'm not going to be riding my bike in this video because I did a bunch of crashes, and let's just say this in the simplest form. I had to take it in, so I won't be riding it in this video, but I will be riding it and hopefully not crashing it in the next video. Hopefully. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed those many time lapses of me rebuilding the berm again, building this guy and that landing, and oh yeah, that's it. In the next video, I'll actually be riding this guy and hopefully not crashing, but there's always that possibility. Actually building a skinny finally, which I'm really looking forward to, and yeah.